Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do trace and color in Adobe Illustrator. First you're going to want to do is open Illustrator. While it's loading, you're going to want to already have your picture ready to bring into Adobe Illustrator. Right now I just put my picture in. You're going to want to size it to be perfect, and you're going to want to add a new layer and then lock your first layer. Then you're going to want to click the pen tool and start outlining your letter. And then after you do each letter, you're going to want to add a new layer and lock the layer that you just did to make sure they don't move. And you want to keep doing this process until you're done. And if you mess up, just click the backspace and click to the last point that you just did, and it will keep all the same. To get your pen tool line curved, you're going to want to hold down left on your mouse and then it will curve. And then after you're done with all the layers, you're going to want to click the eye for your first layer and take it off and look at your layers. And then you're going to click this tool and select your letter and then come over here and color. You're going to keep doing this for your trace and color, and you're going to want to keep doing this process until you're done. And that's how you do trace and color.